What are 3 things homeowners can instantly do to increase their curb appeal?
It goes from simple to more difficult. There's the one thing that's easier than anything is trimming and cleaning up the hedges and plants that are around the house. And then installing mulch, a fresh mulch with clean and tidy bushes. It's like when you get dressed to go out for an event and just before you leave you tidy up your hair. You want it to look fresh and clean. That'll make it pop. The next level of that would be looking at those shrubs and going, have you reached the end of your life? It's a hard decision sometimes because you get emotional and you think about your plants and you don't want to take them away, but sometimes they're just a little bit overgrown, a little bit too much. Taking them out and replacing them with smaller, with neater, with newer, makes it look nicer. The third way that you can really roll out the green carpet is to literally roll out the green carpet. A fresh sod instantly changes the way the front of the house looks. It makes it look like a brand new place almost. Because once the grass is dying, it can be brought back. If you have a fescue, for example, you could do an aeration and a seeding, but it takes time. If you till the ground and you put in grass seed, it'll grow in it, but it takes time. And we're out here in the park, the birds love your grass seed. But if you put down fresh, brand new sod, it is an instant curb appeal. It tells the buyer, this is a home that's cared for. This is a place that we can walk into and not have to start from the ground up.
Right.
Because the green carpet is already rolled out for you.
Yeah, that's awesome. And then if none of those things appeal to you, I do always have to tell sellers, you have to keep your lawn mowed at the very least.
At the least, yes.
Throughout the entire sales process,
yes.
Not just for photos. It has to
mow the
maintained.
lawn, do the edging,
Yes.
make sure the bushes stay shaped, make sure if you have a pot with flowers on the porch,
Yeah.
give them a little water once
Yes.
a week, make sure that everything stays fresh.
Yes.
Just like you would if you go to a party
Yeah.
and you've taken time to get your hair straight and your makeup right. You have to go check and go, is that still tucked in? Do I still look good? Do I have lipstick on my teeth? You want to make sure that your home still looks fresh and ready for the world.
Yeah. Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
Yes.
All right, my friends, we'll sign off and
Thank you.
I look forward to having folks call you and work with you in the future.
Thanks very
All
much.
right, bye-bye.